Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porpoise and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, to train the user, and to hand over the finished product to the client. Startup. Before starting, with the filter pot full, manually rotate the pump to free off the seal. Rotate the pump clockwise. Clear the air scrubber of all materials and staff. Set the air scrubber to on. The air scrubber will now self-test, fill and start. Once started, allow the sprinklers to run for 10 minutes, then close the rinse taps at the end and rotate the sprinklers to a downward facing position. This is the normal running position. Check the pump direction of rotation is clockwise. Shut down the pump system, close the flush taps at the end and direct the sprinklers down, and then restart the system. For further support, please contact us.